Okay, so I'm here with Scott of Endevco, and they make some sensors, and they've got a nice little demo here. So I'm going to let him tell us about their sensors, and then I'm going to punch this guy.
Yeah, we make shock and vibration sensors. So, for example, this is a auto crash test sensor that's used on crash test dummies. So that's what we're using on the demo today to just demonstrate how that works. So these three screens show the response from the dummy. There's a triaxial accelerometer on the dummy, and then this screen will show the force that you're hitting the dummy with. That's the sensor that's in your hand.
Okay.
And then the meter will show how hard you hit the dummy.
Okay. How hard is it? Am I going to humiliate myself?
Potentially. We've had some ladies out here that have hit it pretty hard.
All right. That's the heartbeat? That's his heartbeat?
That's just from coming from this speaker.
Okay. Where should I hit him?
Anywhere. The chest is probably the easiest to get the best.
Okay.
Result.
That's what I want. All right. Here.
Come on, go for it. That was a weak effort.
Oh man. Can we square him up? I need to.
You square him up, Dan? Let me see how you're holding the sensor.
I didn't. I don't know if I hit it right. Held it right. Obviously, I wasn't holding the sensor correctly.
Yeah, it's obviously. That's the sensitive surface right there, if you will. So if you're going to hit it right here, hold it like that.
Okay.
And just hit him in the chest or the gut. There you go. Not bad. Not bad. Now you have to hit the camera the same way.
Thanks a lot. That was awesome.
Thank you.